So here we are on the onboarding page where you can create your Everbee store with the help of their amazing AI website builder. No need for manual building anymore. Those days are long gone. You can choose from 3 options: create with AI, import all your listings directly from Etsy, or migrate from Wix. Let us select Create with AI and click on the blue button below. It says Get Started Now. Here on the next page, we must describe the exact shop that we want to create. Here we have some pre-filled examples that we could choose from, or we could just describe what we want in enough detail for the AI to be accurate. And as we type, the AI then gives us a few possible options based on what we are typing. Just look at that. Okay, so we want an Everbee store that will be selling shirts, and the niche is going to be fishing. So most of our shirts will have designs on it related to fishing. Right, so now the AI is creating. Can you see it? It's thinking a lot and working in the background while we're enjoying our cup of coffee, a beer, or something. Now, it's creating the back-end admin console where you can make any edits and changes to your website and pages. Here, you can see it's creating your custom domain name, and this is the URL of your Everbee store. It's basically like the plot of your house, the piece of land your house is built on, and your website or Everbee store is your house that sits on the land, which is your domain. Isn't this a good analogy to explain your Everbee store and how it all fits together? Okay, so now the AI is creating our brand identity, color theme, fonts, design, layout, logo, and everything related to your brand kit. Amazing, right? All this gets done in a matter of minutes. There, the AI is now designing our theme, and it is optimized for mobile users, which means it will be responsive, loading fast, and look really beautiful and professional. First impressions are lasting, and we should always focus on that first. Now, as you can see here, it's creating the homepage with the call to action, featured products, and trust builders, where you can build trust with your potential buyers to get them to convert into customers. And here it is now optimizing your collections and product pages by adding the image ratios, quick add buttons, aesthetic hover effects, and making a nice and professional look for your new Everbee store. Amazing, right? Okay, so here, the AI is now starting to create our legal policies and other relevant pages, like terms and conditions, refund policy, about page, and more. And here it is now going to create or generate your checkout page. Email opt-in, where you can capture the leads for your email list so that you can send them more value, freebies, and great discounts whenever you are running discounts in your Everbee store. This is so amazing. Wow! You will also have an abandoned cart reminder email that your shop is going to send to everyone who abandons their cart and remind them to get back to your Everbee store to complete their purchases. After all, that is what we want. Okay, so now we can already start seeing what our brand new Everbee store is going to look like. Are you excited? I know I am. Every fishing adventure begins here. Now that name would resonate with all the fishing fanatics out there. It is so perfect for our shop. When we scroll down a bit, we can see some of our products here. Now don't worry about these images. They are just placeholders for the real products that we are either going to import from our Etsy store or upload them manually. We can also connect to Printify directly and push our existing products through to our Everbee store from there. At least you can have a feel of what your new shop is going to look like, and I am quite happy with how this looks already. Join the fishing venture. Wow, that is just great looking. Okay, right. So here at the top right, you can click on Mobile View to get a fairly accurate idea of what your new Everbee store would look like on mobile devices, so that we can see how the potential buyers will see it. And it looks really amazing. Let us scroll down a little more. Here, you can see our products again, and you can sort them according to different options here on the top right. Then when you are happy and ready, you can click on the next button at the bottom right here. So you can see here on the left, you can change your brand colors, your font styles, and we can go back to desktop view as well while we're on this screen. I love using Everbee because you can look at over 30 million Etsy listings. There's all sorts of stuff in here. Digital designs, custom print on demand, you name it. Are you a creator ready to turn your passion into profit? Stop getting bogged down by clunky e-commerce platforms and high fees. Introducing Everbee Store, the AI-powered platform built just for you. Whether you sell physical products, digital downloads, print-on-demand items, or subscription memberships, Everbee makes it simple. Set up your beautiful, high-converting store in under 10 minutes with our easy-to-use, no-code drag-and-drop builder. Recover abandoned carts, offer automatic discounts, and even set up recurring subscriptions, all without needing extra tools. Plus, every Everbee store comes with a custom domain and a free SSL certificate to build trust with your customers. And you're never alone. With 24/7 support from real humans and a vibrant community of creators, we're here to help you succeed. Go get your free account and start your journey to Etsy success today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Etsy tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Now go and turn your Etsy dreams into a reality. Ready to grow your business? Everbee Store is designed for higher conversions and lower fees than platforms like Shopify or Wix. Don't wait. Start your 30-day trial for just $1. Join the thousands of creators busy building their dream business with Everbee. Click the link in the description below that will take you directly to the sign-up page.